so you can operate the milling machine hands-free?
Yeah.
Excellent.
No problem.
No problem. Good. And you hear everything clear with the communication?
Yes.
Excellent. You hear each other all right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
I think he's much better than the one to hold down, you know? That way I can just talk without holding the button down, you know?
So the throw mic's working well for you then?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Much
good.
better than the other one. Much lighter.
Right. Oh, then the other brand that you were using?